The power of social proof marketing has become increasingly obvious as businesses of all sizes strive to increase their sales. As you know, many people are motivated to make decisions based on the opinions, recommendations, and actions of others, and social proof marketing capitalizes on this concept. In this video, I'm going to cover what social proof is, the different types of social proof, and how it works in practice. Now, if you're looking to implement a comprehensive social proof solution for your e-commerce business, then check out NextSale.io. It's a suite of social proof tools that can build trust with your visitors and get them to convert into customers. With perfectly timed pop-ups, review notifications, activity notifications, and CTA top bars, your store will turn into a social proof conversion engine. Check out NextSale.io to learn more today. With that, let's jump right in. So first, what is social proof? Well, social proof is the use of positive evidence from existing customers to influence the purchasing decisions of new customers. At its core, social proof is a psychological phenomenon in which people use the opinions and behaviors of others to help make decisions. And this concept was first popularized by psychologist Robert Cialdini in his book, Influence. Social proof works because it helps reduce the perceived risk of that purchase decision. So e-commerce retailers who are looking to increase their online conversion rates for their stores stand to benefit greatly from using social proof. For example, you can highlight the positive reviews and testimonials of happy customers on your website to create a sense of trust among the new customers. And this reduces the perceived risk of purchasing and can lead to increased sales and conversions. Next, let's cover the different types of social proof that can be used to influence people's decisions. These types can be considered sources of social proof. Where has it actually come from? We'll discuss the forms of social proof or how they appear on your website in the next section. So where does good social proof come from? First, it can come from your current customers. Your customers have already put their money down and are happy with their product, so their recommendations carry more weight than any other form of social proof because they're unbiased endorsements. They don't stand to gain anything further from leaving a testimonial of your product. Second, social proof can come from experts. Now, industry experts are those that know a lot about the field that your product exists in, and they might be professional athletes, doctors, bloggers, or even researchers writing about it in academic journals. These experts are seen to have an unbiased opinion of the product since they're not financially invested, and this makes them a powerful form of social proof. Social proof can also come from celebrities and influencers, and these people have huge followings on social media platforms, and they're generally well known. And their large followings are what makes celebrity social proof a powerful variation of this type of marketing. They've built trust and rapport with their followers, and that trust tends to be transferred to the items that they endorse or discuss. So when a celebrity or an influencer promotes your product, their followers are very likely to listen. Next, it can come from the masses. Now, the masses simply refers to the massive number of people or customers who have bought your product or used your product. Let's say you have a customer base of 10,000 people. Now, if you can get even a small portion of them to leave reviews and ratings on your product, then the masses would refer to this as the collective opinion of all of those customers. Now, social proof from the masses shows that there's a large number of people who are enjoying or using your product, and it helps give potential customers a feeling that your product is popular and well-liked. Next, social proof can come from friends and personal connections. As you know, people tend to trust the opinions of the people that they know. So for making purchasing decisions, friends and personal connections are a powerful source of social proof. If a friend recommends a product to you, it's a very powerful recommendation because it's coming from someone that you know and trust. And lastly, social proof can come from certifications and awards. Now, if your product is certified or has received awards from organizations such as Consumer Reports, then it shows that it has been tested and verified by an independent and trusted source. Likewise, if you have any accreditations from a professional organization such as ISO or International Organization for Standardization, then it shows that your business meets certain standards and can be trusted. And this type of social proof can help to give potential customers a peace of mind when they're making a purchase from your business. Real quick, if you're finding this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Let's get right back to it. Okay, so we just covered all of the sources of social proof. Next, let's cover the different forms of social proof. Now, there are a variety of different forms of social proof that can be used to improve sales results, and each one has its own unique benefits and can be more or less effective depending on the situation. First is going to be testimonials. Now, a testimonial is a verified statement of what someone said about your product, and testimonials are a great way to show that your product actually works. They can be a powerful form of social proof because they can be verified to come from people who have actually bought and used your product. Testimonials can also help build trust. When potential customers see that other people have had a positive experience with your product, it can help reduce that perceived risk and encourage them to make that purchase. Next is going to be user-generated content. Now, user-generated content, or UGC for short, is content created by customers or users of your product. And UGC could include reviews, ratings, photos, and even videos. And this form of social proof can give potential customers an inside look at what it's like to actually use your product. Social media posts are also a form of UGC, and they show that people are actually talking about your brand. And when people are engaging with content about your business and your products, it helps to create a sense of community and encourages more people to join in and make that purchase. The next form of social proof is celebrity or influencer marketing. Now, celebrity and influencer social proof shows that even well-known people recognize the value of your product. It's important that you select credible celebrities and influencers who have an audience that overlaps with your target audience, because this will help to maximize the impact of their endorsement. It could be a video snippet from the red carpet, a retweet of a tweet mentioning your product, or even a full-on endorsement of your product in their own video or blog post. Getting a cosign from a powerful influencer or celebrity can create a massive amount of awareness and trust for your brand very, very quickly. Next is going to be customer reviews and ratings. Now, yes, this is a type of UGC, but it deserves its own section because the intention is slightly different. Now, user reviews and ratings are an especially powerful form of social proof because they come from definitive users of your product. Amazon has implemented this brilliantly. The customer reviews on their product pages provide, whether it's a verified purchase or not, a star rating, a date of the purchase or the review, a review description, and social feedback from the community of whether or not the review was helpful or not. Now, it's important to ensure that reviews and ratings are genuine. That means monitoring them and responding to negative reviews in a timely manner, because this helps potential customers read what others think about your product before making their own decision on buying the product. Another form of social proof is logos. Now, displaying logos of companies you've worked with can be very, very powerful. It shows that other respected organizations believe in the quality of your product. And this form of social proof is especially effective when it comes from well-known companies or brands. For example, you see some brands or businesses have a section right on their website that says, brands we've worked with, or our clients include, or as seen in, or as seen on. And then they have a few well-known logos demonstrating that social proof. Next is going to be something unique for online social proof, which is notifications. Now, notifications are a simple way of showing that people are actually engaging with your product in real time, or they have actually engaged with your product in the past. This could include notifications on your website about purchases, reviews, or even current site traffic counts. Simply seeing these notifications can reassure potential customers that they need to engage and take action with your brand. A common way that notifications are implemented is to show a small little pop-up on your website to show maybe how many people are on your website right now, or maybe a product that someone recently purchased and their general location, or a review that someone left for your product. The effect of these notifications is to create the feeling of FOMO, or the fear of missing out, in the shopper's mind. They see that someone nearby, someone just like them, has bought a similar product and now they want to get in on the action too. Now that we've covered a few ways that social proof can be implemented, let's quickly summarize the benefits of social proof. As we covered, social proof is a powerful psychological tool to integrate into your marketing strategy. There are a number of benefits, including building trust and credibility, encouraging social sharing, helping with your SEO, and increasing conversions and revenue. The best part is that as you continue to use social proof marketing, the benefits will compound. Customers will be more likely to engage with your product and your content, which will lead to more social shares, more positive reviews, more user-generated content, and better SEO results, which ultimately leads to more sales and more leads. Now, hopefully you found this video helpful in understanding how social proof can be used as a tool to increase your e-commerce sales by encouraging potential customers to take action. Using NextSale is a super simple way to start displaying powerful social proof on your website. Visit nextsale.io and learn how to add reviews, recent sales, and website activity notifications in just a few clicks. It's a no-code way to implement the social proof techniques of the world's largest and best e-commerce players. Don't miss out. Thousands of businesses already use NextSale to improve their conversions every day. Visit nextsale.io to get started today. Check out our other videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel.